Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charging rewards with Verizon Mobile Perks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer EV charging rewards with Verizon Mobile Perks, start by unlocking your Verizon Mobile Perks account. Open your mobile device and navigate to the Verizon app. Log into your account using your Verizon credentials. Once logged in, locate the Perks section in the Apps menu. Tap on Perks to view available rewards. Scroll through the options until you find the EV charging rewards. Select the EV charging rewards to see the details. Review the terms and conditions associated with the rewards. If eligible, look for the transfer option on the screen. Tap on Transfer to initiate the process. You may be prompted to select your platform for transferring the rewards. Choose your preferred EV charging network from the list provided. Enter any necessary account information for your selected charging network. Confirm the transfer by tapping the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. Keep your transaction receipt for future reference. Now, you can use your transferred rewards at the selected EV charging station. Enjoy a seamless EV charging experience as a result of your Verizon Mobile Perks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.